For you who are watching this video, I would like to first introduce you the leading role of this video. So, who is he? He is the one who gets both love and hatred at the same time. Some people love him, but he returns their love in killing them. Some people hate him because he takes away the life of their beloved. It is such a cruel character, but still people who love him can't live without him, though they may be killed by him at last. Gradually, he becomes a global criminal, not only committing the crimes in Malaysia, but all over the world. He is accused of murder and endangering public safety. Now you know who he is. His name is cigarette, as well as tobacco. Tobacco has a history of nearly 8,000 years, as it was smoked all over the Americas as early as 5000 BC. Christopher Columbus was the first European to discover smoking, since he discovered the American continent in 1492. In 1531, tobacco was cultivated for the first time in Europe. In 1575, the Spaniards crossed the Pacific Ocean with tobacco and introduced it to the Philippines. In 1590, tobacco was introduced into Japan. By 1600s, tobacco use had spread across Europe and was being used as a monetary standard. From the 16th to the 17th century, frequent wars accelerated the promotion and popularization of tobacco. By the 1700s, smoking had become more widespread and the tobacco industry started developing. Cigarette conquered the world in just 200 years. It was once regarded as a medicine to relieve tiredness. But about 100 years later, it was redefined as a murderer. In 1822, two German chemists isolated a harmful active substance from tobacco for the first time and called it nicotine. Since then, the view that tobacco is harmless has been questioned. An experiment on the harm of tobacco was conducted in the middle 1900s. A puppy or kitten was placed in a space of 300 cubic inch. Then, 8 grams of tobacco was burned and the smoke went into the space. After 15 minutes, the animal began to show symptoms of poisoning. After half an hour, the animal died. A few drops of nicotine extract can poison a dog. 0.06 grams are enough to poison a person, said the father of modern psychology and experimental medicine, Claude Bernard. It can be seen that the harm of cigarettes and tobacco have been discovered since the 19th century. Until today, in the 21st century, the harms caused by it have become more widely known. Smoking harms most of our organs. First, heart. Carbon monoxide from the smoke and nicotine both put a strain on the heart by making it work faster. In fact, smoking doubles your risk of having a heart attack. And if you smoke, you have twice the risk of dying from coronary heart disease than lifetime non-smokers. Second, stomach. Smokers have an increased chance of getting stomach cancer or ulcers. Smoking can weaken the muscle that controls the lower of your gullet and allow acid from the stomach to travel in the wrong direction back up your gullet. Third, skin. Smoking reduces the amount of oxygen that gets to your skin. This means that if you smoke, your skin ages more quickly and looks gray and dull. The toxin in your body also cause cellulite. Fourth, lungs. Your lungs can be very badly affected by smoking. Cough, colds, wheezing, and asthma are just the start. Smoking can cause fatal diseases such as pneumonia, emphysema, and lung cancer. Smoking also causes 84% of death from lung cancer. Fifth, brain. Smoking increases your risk of having a stroke by at least 50%, which can cause brain damage and death. And by smoking, you double your risk of dying from a stroke. In Malaysia, smokers over the age of 50 account for about 22.8% of the total population, with an estimated 5 million people, which means 1 in 4 Malaysians is a smoker. According to 2015 National Health and Morbidity Survey, a total of 13.2% of teenagers aged 18 to 19 are smokers, and the number doubles to 25.3% at the age of 20 to 24. Young people of this age have even begun to become the target of tobacco merchants. For you who are in university or college and watching this video, if you just happen to be a smoker, please think back. What caused you to start smoking, since you clearly knew the harm of smoking? In Malaysia, smoking mean age among university students is 20.74 years old. The top 3 of their given reasons for smoking are stress, influenced by friends, and show off. Most of them take more than 1 cigarette per day. It can be seen that the smoking habit among university students is getting serious. However, those are not the reason drive you to smoke. As a highly educated person, you should have a more correct way to solve those problems. For example, get a healthy hobby like jogging, reading to ease your stress. Trust yourself and don't easily be influenced or controlled by others. Plus, please don't be fooled by the movies or dramas that smoking is cool. This harmful secret is not worth your showing off. As a student, you should have to manage your finance well. If you smoke, 1 pack of 20 cigarettes costs you 15 ringgit to 18 ringgit. With this money, you can already enjoy a meal with your favorite bubble tea. If you have to ask me about the benefits of smoking, well, I can think of some. First, smokers are young forever because they would get all kinds of cancer and die at a very young age. Second, smokers' house is always safe because they always cough at midnight, so the thief knows there are people at home. Third, smokers would not be bitten by mosquitoes because their blood tastes bad and toxic, and the mosquito may be poisoned. Well, it's all just joking. But seriously, our university student hopes to have a good future after graduation. So please don't let the cigarette ruin your future. For smokers, quit it now. For non-smoker, please keep going and don't be changed. Let us say no to smoke from now on. Please like if you think this video is useful and comment down below to tell me your opinion. Thank you.